Hello viewers, welcome to this session. I am going to talk about narration in this video lecture today. In most of the examinations, questions are set on narration. Therefore, on the request of many students, I am going to make a video on narration, how to change narration from direct narration to indirect narration. Before that, let me explain some of the important words first. The word narration comes from the word narrate. To narrate means to describe something, to describe anything. For example, he said, I am going to Benares. She said, I am going to perform dance. Here, the statement is called narration. This statement is called narration. Now, there are two kinds of narration. The first is direct narration or direct narration, and the second is indirect narration or indirect narration. Now let me explain the first, direct narration. What is direct narration? Direct narration is that narration that is presented as reported or as stated by the narrator. In the direct narration, the original words are spoken by the narrator is used. So this is called direct narration. In the direct narration, there are two parts. One is reporting verb and the other is reported speech. What is reporting verb? The reporting verb is that part of the sentence which includes the subject and the reporting verb. The reporting verb remains outside of the double inverted comma. Now let me explain the reported speech. What is the reported speech? The reported speech is that speech which presents the narration stated by the narrator in some other words, not in the words used by the narrator. This is called indirect narration. Now let me illustrate it with a few examples. He said, I am going to Kolkata. Direct narration. Indirect narration, he said that he was going to Kolkata. She said, I am going to perform a dance. Direct narration. Indirect narration, she said that she was going to perform a dance. Now, if we closely look at the sentences of the direct narration and of the indirect narration, we find that the direct narration uses double inverted comma. The reported speech remains within the double inverted comma, and the reporting verb remains outside the inverted comma. Now, there are certain rules to change direct narration into indirect narration. In order to change direct narration into indirect narration, 5 kinds of changes take place. Number 1, change of reporting verb. The reporting verb changes according to the sentence that is in the reported speech. If the reported speech is assertive sentence, the reporting verb becomes tell, tells, told, say, says, said. If the sentence is interrogative, the reporting verb becomes ask, asks, asked, inquire, inquires of, inquired of. If the reported speech is imperative sentence, the reporting verb becomes request, request, requested, order, orders, ordered, command, commands, commanded, etc. If the reporting verb is optative sentence, the reporting verb becomes wish, visage, wished, if the reported speech is exclamatory sentence, the reporting verb becomes exclaim, exclaims with joy, sorrow, surprise, contempt, etc. Exclaimed with sorrow, exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with surprise, exclaimed with contempt, etc. So, reporting verb changes according to the sentence that appears in the reported speech. So, this is the first change of the narration from in the change of direct narration into indirect narration. The second important change is the change of reporting verb. In the direct narration, the reporting verb and the reported speech are connected with a connective. If the reported speech is assertive sentence, the reporting the connective will become that. If the reported speech is interrogative sentence, the connective will become whether or if or as to. If the sentence is imperative, to appears in place of the connective. If the sentence is optative, that is used as connective. If the sentence of the reported speech is exclamatory, that is used as connective. The next change is the change of pronouns, then the change of narration, then the change of a few words. So, these are the changes that take place in the change of narration from direct speech into indirect speech. Thanks.